It was a Master of Arts in Teaching Biology. I think part of it is that my parents were very open and understanding, so they would let us free range and collect things, and I collected just about anything that moved. You know, we had many pets and snakes and frogs and turtles and the whole range of things that you wouldn't be allowed to collect anymore, but just grew very interested in the outdoors and living things. If I was going to sum it up in one brief statement, it would be to make life easier for the new chancellor coming in, to try to make sure that things are set up so the new chancellor can be successful. So I think that's my primary role, and you know, that would involve really continuing a number of things that the chancellor had implemented. I think probably the best example of that is with the comprehensive campaign, and make sure that comes to a successful conclusion. We're very close to that point right now, but just ensuring that the campaign ends on a positive note. I've enjoyed fishing, just haven't had a lot of opportunity to do it. Most any outdoor sport, I've done everything from hiking, backpacking, canoeing, kayaking, ice climbing, rock climbing, a whole range of different things, and really enjoy all of it. Whitewater rafting. Probably more than any of those now, backpacking is a little easier to do as one gets a little bit older, although as I found last year that can be a little bit hard at times as well. But that's probably the thing that my wife and I are doing more of. We hope to do a little snorkeling. We've done some of that recently too, but you know, almost anything in the outdoors that involves being a little crazy. So I mean, there's probably a lot of things people don't know about me. I think one of the more interesting ones that I'm not sure I want to share, but when I was in my 40s, I got a black belt in Taekwondo. I took it with my son, and it was really fun. I had actually been doing martial arts on and off for a long time, but never really stuck with it. And one of the more interesting parts of that, to go through every belt, you had to break something, and you know, some of them really challenging kicks or whatever. But the most interesting one was they took a cement block and sawed it so it was about the width of that part of your hand, and so it was just like this part of that cement block, like so. And then the person would hold it like this, and you had to break it with your knife hand like that. And that was really interesting. Yeah, I didn't know if I could, but yeah. So that was kind of neat.
Was that the black belt?
No, I think that was either red or brown.